Hey guys, second workout is meant to test your functional endurance. We have 4 moves. 2 of them are explosive and 2 of them are just awkward. We will try to complete as many rounds as possible in 15 minutes. Same time, we will increase the number of reps for jumping lunges on 2 reps with every next round. For the rest 3 exercises, number of reps won't change. We start with explosive push-ups. Basically, you can perform any kind of push-ups depending on your preferences. Also, you can use an elevated surface like a table or a bed to make incline push-ups. The main idea, your push-ups are supposed to be explosive. Sit-up, stand-up. This one might be tricky. The secret is to bring your heels as close to your body as possible, and when you swing your arms, trying to throw them forward as hard as possible. So you basically reach forward after you complete a sit-up. If this one seems too tricky, there is an easier version of that. You can use the towel, the same one that we use for our towel rows. Cross-legged squat. Very similar to normal squat, but with your shins crossed, which makes it very awkward. You'll have to do only 4 reps, so try and change your stand after 2 reps. And jumping lunges. I can say that at some point your legs will be giving up because you have to increase the number of repetitions on 2 with every next round. It's okay if you switch to normal lunges. That's your workout guys, have fun with it. And let us know about your results in the comment section below. I'll see you soon.